What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Chad G's Garage. What a lovely Saturday afternoon we're having today. Look at that, we got like a foot of snow yesterday. Not lovely at all. So I got the driveway cleared off, and I got a couple hours here this afternoon free, so what better way to spend it than on this piece of shit. So I set a goal for myself today. I want to get the bay cleaned up so that I can start prepping it for paint. So as you guys know, I've showed you the bay a billion times. It's like super dirty. I'm going to clean it up. What I like to use is Dawn dish soap, hot water, brake clean, and then just like some plastic wire brushes to clean it up. So I've set a goal for myself today. I want the power steering system removed. Got to get the frame rails all cleaned up, get all this dirt and stuff vacuumed, cleaned up. The AC system's going to come out. I'm going to keep the AC system intact, the wiring and everything, because I may be putting AC back into this car. So by the end of this video, I want the bay to be at least looking a million times better than it does right now. So I'm going to get to work here. There's not a whole lot I can film cleaning this up. This is just a kind of little before. This is before it's cleaned up. Obviously it's super dirty. So I gotta get a new radiator support in it. We'll do that another day. Today, just gotta get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna polish a turd today. So like I said, there's not a whole lot I can film cleaning up the bay. It's gonna be boring and stupid, and you guys don't want to see that. So, like I said, I got a goal. I gotta get my goal done. I'm gonna try not to drink a bunch of beer while I'm out here today, so I can actually get a bunch of work done. Here's the before, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and skip ahead to the after. Very dirty. And here's what she looks like all cleaned up. Alright, we are making progress today, boys. Look at that. Underneath all that dirty bullshit is a decently good bay. So, I just pulled everything off the firewall and just kind of bent it back so that I can get like my spray gun in there to paint. We'll see what it looks like after I clean it up though. It looks like the firewall is decent. I may just have to do some small touch-up areas. So one thing I noticed about the 96 to 2000 Honda Civics, I don't think I've ever done like a wire tuck on these before. The harness is all one piece for the chassis. It connects to these two connectors here, and then it runs along the frame here all the way down to the bottom of the radiator support. And then up here, across the shock tower, and then to this connector right there. So it's all one piece, whereas like an EG has a harness that comes right here, and the other harness comes right here, so it's two-piece. So I'm kind of trying to figure out how I'm going to hide all my wiring in the fender well there while keeping it one piece and doing as little soldering and shrink wrapping as I have to do. So just a little update there. I haven't cleaned anything yet. I did just open a beer, so progress is probably going to be pretty slow from here on out, but I will get the bay cleaned up and I'll let you guys know how that looks. Alright, boys, I'm about ready to go in. It's getting late out here. Got the car all cleaned up. Cleaned up pretty well, I'd say. It's hard to tell in the video here, but there really is like a lot of scratches and stuff. There's a lot of flaws in the paint in the bay. It's so weird how it can get so scratched up, you know. So a fresh coat of paint in here will do wonders. I'm just gonna bomb the subframe, just like a matte black probably, and then base clear the edge of bay, just a single light coat, and we should be good to go. So it's been a good Sunday. I got the bay cleaned up. It's looking pretty good. That's all the stuff that came out of the bay right there. That's the harness that I need to reuse. There's a lot of wiring issues in there. I can go into that later. My camera battery is about to die, so this is pretty much all we got for tonight. I'll come out here probably tomorrow, maybe if I get a minute, work on it. I'm gonna hose the bay down one last time and then start scuffing so that we can get painting. Take it easy, guys.